We interrupt this programming because of a state emergency. Important information will follow. This message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency and the National Weather Service based in Moore, Oklahoma. This is not a test. Please pay close attention to the following information. Officials in your local area have issued a tornado emergency and have activated the emergency alert system. At 6 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time, a violent set of tornadoes were seen to be moving across Cleveland and Canadian counties. Multiple tornadoes were spotted on the ground moving north-northwest at 63 miles an hour. Get to shelter immediately. This is a very dangerous and deadly situation. The tornadoes spotted are estimated to have wind speeds up to 350 miles an hour. Get to shelter immediately. Get away from all windows and doors. Get into an enclosed and sturdy room on the lowest floor possible. Do not go outside, as this is very dangerous. Again, the affected areas are but are not limited to all areas in and surrounding Cleveland and Canadian counties. Tornadoes are also expected to form in the area of Oklahoma City. Keep a battery-powered radio with you at all times just in case the power goes out. Stay tuned to a local media outlet as more information becomes available. Repeat, local and state authorities have declared a tornado emergency. Get indoors immediately. This is a life-threatening situation.